So you made a launcher, released it in beta stage, but only for Pixel 5 and above and the Galaxy S22 series, and you expect people to like it? Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and this here is my Pixel 5. Right now it is running the Nothing launcher. Let us press and hold on the empty space. Let us go into home settings, have a look at the settings. The first thing you will notice is that this home settings text is in like 8-bit text, or say going back to the old school style wherein we used to have dot matrix printers. That is how this heading looks like, and it might look cool and appealing at first, but then you realized, hey, it doesn't look like polished at all. And again, that is my personal opinion, but it is what it is. You have your notification dots over here, which you can go and change into settings. Then you have a toggle for add app icons to the home screen. Then, do you have access to your Google feed? Unfortunately, no, you do not have access to your Google feed. Let us go into wallpapers and style. So when you select a new wallpaper, you are taken to the default wallpapers application on your specific device. So this here is the Pixel 5, and here are the settings which I have. Now, my specific wallpaper and style application lets me change the app grid. So I have 5 by 5, 4 by 4. But you see this? Even Nothing OS or Nothing Launcher has the option of app grid, which right now is 4 by 5. Let us change this to 5 by 5. Two options are what you have. Then you have wallpaper scrolling toggle, and yes, it has support for app icons or icon packs. I have one of the other ones installed from the Google Play Store. Here it is, working without any issues, and this is the Nothing icon pack. Tap on the plus sign, it will take you to the Google Play Store and search for icon pack in case you want to download more icon packs. Now, next up, let us have a look at, whoa, huh, interesting. So something interesting happened over here is that the setup of my home screen changed when I changed the application grid. Let us go back into wallpapers and style, change the app grid to 4 by 5 and see what happens. Right, so here it is. You can see with a 4 by 5 I have two home screens, right? So this one has the clock and stuff, and this one here has their folder style. But if I go back and change the app grid to 5 by 5, you will see, why the hell on earth is my folder shifted from one home screen to another? Anyways, that might be a bug in this beta build. Remember, this right now is a beta launcher. So we are back to business now. We can also have a look at the widgets. So this is one of the widget, and this here is the other one. If you go into the widgets section, you will have a section for Nothing launcher. So herein you have three different kind of widgets. First is your analog clock, and this is the one which we are running right now. Here it is, analog clock. You can of course resize it in case you want to do that. Press and hold, you will get a border, and bam, there it is. You can actually resize it, and me personally I prefer this small style. Then you also have the other clock widget, which is your digital clock. Now this one does let you choose the transparency. So here it is, I have added it, and now I have another menu which is telling me, hey Manchi, do you want a solid background or do you want a transparent background? So we have one with transparent and we have one with a solid background. The third widget which you can add using this Nothing launcher is your weather widget. Now when you add this one over here, you do not get any transparency options or nothing like that, and if you try to resize it, nope, this is the size it is going to be. Funnily, when you tap on this, it does not open the weather application. It takes you to AccuWeather, which is like super surprising. Why the hell on earth are you taking me to another third party website for the weather? Anyways, if you have trouble seeing things, you have a weak eyesight, absolutely alright. Nothing is here to take care of you. Press and hold on any icon and then tap on these two arrows pointing outward. Bam, here it is. The Play Store icon is now bigger than life. Does look pretty cool, does it? And the same thing you can do with a folder as well. So this here I've created a folder already with multiple icons inside it or multiple applications. Here it is. The animations though are pretty good. So if I press and hold on this folder, say enlarge, bam, here it is. You can see the folder has now been enlarged, and even though I have more icons inside, the ones which are listed on your home screen are a maximum of 7. So the first three are like bigger than life in size. Tap on any of them, it will directly take you to that specific application. Here it is. And if you can tap on the other ones which you cannot, so it will open the folder view. So only the first three which are bigger than life are the ones which you can open directly. Yep, there it is. And what else do we have over here? As for your recents, for the recents, they are using your default recents of your specific device. So I have the Pixel device over here. I am using the Pixel recents with select and screenshot. If you have a Samsung device, it is going to use the recents of that specific Samsung device, and the style of it, the launcher itself does not have any other specific recents which come along with it. So what's the final take on this Nothing OS or Nothing launcher? Well, in my personal opinion, this animation is the best part about this launcher. The folder animation of opening the folder view and then going back to the launcher. This is my favorite part of this launcher. Other than that, it is a very bare bones launcher with just basic features. And before you tell me, hey Munchie, it does not have all the basic features. Yes, that is absolutely right. You have support for icon packs, some cool looking maximize, minimize of your icons on the home screen, some cool looking widgets with the old school dot matrix style, which is not everybody's style. Yes, Calpi is trying something different, but most of us by now know that it is more about the marketing hype and the gimmick with Calpi. And as for the product, we will have to wait and see how the Nothing OS Phone 1, Nothing Phone 1 is, because clearly I am not impressed with this Nothing launcher which has been launched just for the hype.